fact that the theme was tamaasha, it was all about fun and celebration, and I think that's what the outfit is reflecting.
Manushi, tell us how you're feeling in this magnificent outfit.
I mean, I feel great. I love the fact that the theme was tamaasha, it was all about fun and celebration, and I think that's what the outfit is reflecting.
How does this resound with your own personal sense of style?
Well, I think I like being creative, I like trying new things, and I think I like the fact that it is heavy, but it's not too much or too less, so I think it's just appropriate.
Lovely. And if we had to capsule your own festive favorite outfit, given Diwali is just round the corner, what would you pick?
Well, I love saris, so it would always be a sari. So I think I've fallen in love with color recently, so I think I really like your Rani pinks and your emerald greens and your jade blues. I think anything that's rich in color I really love.
And when it comes to makeup, are you a minimal girl or do you like to go out and about with your makeup?
Well, if we're talking about the festive season, then it's always out and about.
In case you had to style this outfit up, or say for the festive season, how would you do that?
Well, I think with the outfit, I like the fact that there's a heavy neck piece. So I think I'd keep that. I'd again keep no earrings, keep the jewelry very minimal otherwise. And I think probably, even a jacket would work really well.
Ladies and gentlemen, 1 in 5 presents Rishi Vibhuti.